Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I was standing in Hatim and the Quraysh were asking me questions about the ascension episode. They asked me some signs of Baitul Maqdis which I could not retain. Owing to it, I got so much confused as I had never been before. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon raised the Baitul Maqdis and placed it before me. They kept asking me the distinguishing marks of Baitul Maqdis, and I continued narrating looking at it, and I found myself in the group of the Prophets ﷺ. I saw Hazrat Moses ﷺ performing the prayer standing, and he was curly-headed like the people of the tribe Shanua. Hazrat Isa, Mary's son ﷺ, was also performing prayer standing, and Urwa bin Masud Thaqafi most closely resembles him. And Hazrat Ibrahim ﷺ was also performing the prayer standing, and your Prophet ﷺ bears the closest resemblance to him. Then the prayer time got due. I led them in the prayer, and when I had completed the prayer, someone said to me, This is Malik, the custodian of hell. Greet him. When I faced him, he preceded me in salutation. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 429.